Okay, I am trying to wash off this black stuff that has accumulated on the citrus. You see? It's just dirt, gunk. I don't know if it's disease, but look at that. I'm spraying the whole tree. Well, I've already taken this leaf off, but I wanted to show you what I'm up against here. I'm giving this whole tree a bath. I might not go to such extremes if it wasn't absolutely loaded with calamine limes. I already took it in the other night because we had a quick drop in temperature, and I just noticed today that this one inside was really covered as well. And so here's another example. Look at that. Some of them I just pull off. It's just too much. It's so dirty. And even spraying it with soapy water is not going to do it. You have to massage it off with each leaf. That's a very tedious and almost impossible task, unless you prune it way back, which I'm not going to do while it's loaded with fruit. But I won't be able to harvest it, you know, till November. Look at that. Oh, drives me nuts. Oh wow, look at that one. Oh. Now I did all of this last year. I'm going to post the video underneath. This is the kefir, and this one was covered in mealybug. And I said, you know what, I'm just not taking it in the house. So look how much I've already cut off. And washed it and sprayed it and everything. And look, you can still smear this black. I mean, who knows what it is? Is it what comes down from the spray in the sky, or is it the mealybug dirt, or is it just dust and grime? But this tree you eat for the leaves, so you don't want them sitting here caked with black gunk. Oh man, look at that. Wow. Well, I'm just doing what I can. Now I've already done this tree, and look, I missed that. It has, come on, this has some new leaves on it, so let's take all these old leaves off. Start over. I'm seriously considering nixing this plant from my collection, because I have had it for 5 years. I've never had a lime. And it just can't seem to fight off the mealybug. Okay, I have gone through a gallon of soapy water, and I just pruned off about 6 inches here, and I uncovered this. Didn't even see that. Okay, and I am using Dawn dish soap, because I guarantee you, if that won't take it off, the non-petroleum based dish soap sure won't. So I am just gonna do the best I can. And I just remembered that someone told me that I should not take the plants in. See, I had all my plants here. They're all inside now. See? I moved them all back in again. And somebody said, don't, you know, set them up on the porch first for a night or two, then go inside. Well, I didn't do that. I just went inside. So anyway. I had my Neptune's fish fertilizer out here, and I just did about 1/3 of a gallon just spraying all the leaves. This is after fastidiously cleaning every leaf I could find or pruning it off. I did a nice shaping on this, I think, without getting into any branches that had fruit. This had no fruit, so I just went to town on that. This is my moringa back here, that little tiny branch back there. And I think it didn't do anything this year because these volunteer cannas are coming up. So I'm going to cut that out. I'm going to give all 3 of these the rest of that gallon of fish fertilizer. I started with the hydrogen peroxide just to kill the mealybug, and then I went to my Young Living Thieves household cleanser just to clean off that grease off the leaves. This tree, the kefir, and then the calamandin, there's too many leaves. So I had to go and get the sprayer. I used Dawn dish soap in the sprayer, 2 gallons to clean these 2 trees. And as you can see, I cut off a lot of leaves and small branches. So because it's going to drop down to 42 tonight, I am going to pour that in, and then I'm going to drag them inside, put them under the fan to dry them off. And tomorrow I'll deal with the other plants. Hey, nobody ever said that growing citrus trees in Tennessee was easy, especially without a greenhouse. But I'm trying to keep some of my California plants alive, not only for sentimental reasons, but hey, maybe they'll provide me with some food. So thanks so much for watching this channel. I hope you subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss any of the action, the late afternoon, evening action. Look at the sky up there. Right here on the homestead. Thanks so much. God bless. See you in the next video. I got it done. I got them in. The fan is drying them off from getting sprayed with the fish fertilizer, and I watered the others with fish fertilizer. Now, if that would just put on some leaves, it'll be good. That's the fig tree. It's got, I think it's got 1 little fig on it. Yep, look. Right there. I waited all year for 1 tiny little fig. I don't know if it'll make it, but now that it's inside, it very well might ripen. And look at this angel wing begonia blooming again. It's 2 or 3 times this year. Just love it. And I think my amaryllis are going to start doing something. Oops, look what we just found. More of the mealybug stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got to get that right now. Okay, everything got watered. That's the 3-year-old fig tree that did not produce 1 fig this year. And this is the brand new fig tree from one of those cuttings. Okay, this is the most exciting thing. First lemons in Tennessee. I am so excited. Look at that, the size of that one back there. That's big. So there's 4, just 4, let's see. Nothing on this side, huh? Really? Not 1 on this side? Strange. Because look, see this plant splits and this goes off and has just a little something. Well, anyway, 4 is better than none. Okay, just whipped up a little pasta with black olives, the last of the pear tomatoes, yellow pear tomatoes fresh basil, grated cheese, olive oil, and there's capers in there somewhere. They got buried. And homemade blackberry wine. I only allow myself to have a sip, so it lasts a long time.